Hey ladies, it's me Janice over at Magic Hair Company located in Culver City, California. We are your favorite wig store's favorite wig store. Today I am going to talk about the difference between our yaki straight and our kinky straight wigs. So in this video to the left you can see our yaki straight texture with a few highlights, and to the right you will see our kinky straight texture right here with a mixture of a couple of different reds here. You see how beautiful and healthy and smooth this hair is right here. And to the left, you see our yaki straight. These are two great texture options if you are looking for more of a natural, relaxed look with your glueless lace wig. Now, our kinky straight texture is one of our most popular textures. It's soft, natural, and looks amazing. In my opinion, yaki straight is a more old school texture that suppliers used before coming out with this beautiful kinky straight texture. So we don't have as many of this yaki straight as we do kinky straight. Kinky straight is the way to go. If you have any more questions, just reach out to us. We are available here at magichaircompany.com. What are you waiting for?